Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson, before we can actually get on to the opponent actually throwing a kick or a punch at the player, obviously we need to create those basic functions first. So that's what we're going to do in this lesson. So I'm going to very quickly run through this because it's everything we've done before. And I'm going to start in the enum, and I'll just create the functions. So opponent left punch. Obviously you can put these where you like. I'm just going to put mine under this section here where it says hit by. Opponent right punch. Opponent high kick. And opponent low kick. And now let's come to the ienumerator. And we'll actually copy all four cases where we say opponent hit by, and we'll paste all four of those in, and we'll just change it by swapping it to opponent low kick. So I'm just going to go through now these four blocks and just delete where it says hit by. And finally the last one. So that's those now created. And what we're going to do is scroll down the script. Again, you can put these where you like. I'm just going to put mine here, just before the wait for animation functions, and we'll begin by creating the first one. So private void opponent left punch so we'll open and close brackets, we'll open and close again. Let's copy in a debug log, and as always we'll swap out the naming convention, and we'll copy auth block, and again we'll just paste this in 3 more times. So let's change this out to opponent right punch, low kick, and high kick. Again, we'll just go through and swap out the naming conventions in the debug log. And now we'll come to the first function, opponent left punch. And well, actually, let's scroll down and we'll just copy in the name of the function where we call the animation for the left punch. So opponent left punch anim. And we'll just paste that in. We'll open close brackets, close the line off. Into the comments, we'll just say we call that function. And we'll just paste that naming convention in between. And again, we'll just copy and paste that line into each of the other functions. And we'll just go through again, and we'll copy and paste the names of the functions into the correct blocks. So that's right punch. So there's the high kick. Obviously we'll just tidy up where we need to. And finally for the low kick. So now we've done that, we'll just save that off. And we're actually going to leave it here for this lesson. We've got all the basics in place. So we'll pick this up in the very next lesson. So nothing too interesting this lesson, but we needed to get these in place. And in the next video we can continue on doing some more interesting code. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.